Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee minta kesni ke Pratric Lber ke Pynlong yang Pynrem paidbah yang Jingshah Mait Kyrteng jong nongialam ke AICC Rahul Gandhi na Jinglong Dkhot ke Lok Sabha. Ya katei ke jingiakhih la Pynlong haplau jong ke Congress Bhawan ha Shillong ha ke jingiadonlang Vice President ke Mpcc Bah Ronnie V Lyngdoh ki MLA ke seng Congress kiba kynthup Dr Celestine Lyngdoh Charles Marngar Saleng Sangma, General Secretary ke Mpcc Sanjay ke President ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ke Kong Joplin Shylla bat kinongket kam ke seng.
Modi, down, down. Amit Shah, down, down. Amit Shah, down, down. Congress Party, Zindabad. Congress Party, Zindabad. Congress Party, Zindabad. Rahul Gandhi, Zindabad. Rahul Gandhi,
Zindabad. On the action against our leader, Shri Rahul Ji, we have staged this protest to mark a protest by the Congress Party of Meghalaya, and then we condemn the disqualification. This is suppressing the democratic right, suppressing the democratic freedom of speech, expression by the NDA government led by Narendra Modi Ji. So we condemned. This is ultimate. They want to suppress the truth that our leader Rahul Gandhi ji has been raising in Parliament, has been raising in various platforms about the misgovernance, about the misrule, about the trying to suppress democratic rights, trying to kill democracy, and even go to the extent of disqualifying a leader of the Congress Party by disqualifying him as a member of Parliament. This is, I think, not seen anywhere in the world where an democratically elected leader has been disqualified by very, very unfair means. We are concerned about what we feel. We are not concerned about what the others feel because they are entitled to their opinion. We only express a strong opposition. We condemn this action taken by the Modi government against our leader Rahul Gandhi because they are fearing, they have been rattled by the response, the support that is getting from the people all over the country with his Bharat Joro Yatra, where we are trying to ensure that irrespective of caste, creed, gender, we are all Indians, and that is the message that we've been sending. And I think because the NDA government survives on creating this communal division, communal hatred based on caste, creed and gender. So the Congress Party, our leader Rahul Gandhi believes in uniting the country, that we live peacefully, coexist harmoniously irrespective of all our differences. Because India is a country, we believe in unity in diversity. They believe in unity in uniformity. We protest against that. So we feel, yes, this action of the BJP is also important, but equally important is we've just had the budget session and we've just finished the election, and this is the first budget session, so we could not organize properly because we were all busy. We have about 5 elected members from the Congress Party. We were all busy participating in the proceedings of the House, especially during the budget session, because this budget session, will have implications throughout the year in the development and governance of the state.